code-genie.ai, AI supervised learning algorithms. This kind of machine learning algorithm trains computers using labeled data. The goal is to map input features and the corresponding output labels. Labeled data refers to datasets that have associated questions and answers. Supervised learning algorithms train computers to learn answers to questions and build models around that framework. Organizations looking for labeled data to train their machine learning systems might need to spend quite a bit of money since labeled datasets are expensive. The algorithm learns from the labeled examples to make predictions or classify new, unseen data. Supervised learning algorithms include regression, where the output is continuous, and classification, where the output is categorical. ChatGPT training relies primarily on supervised learning from a large dataset that consists of input-output pairs. Human AI trainers provide the model with examples of input prompts and corresponding desired responses. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai.